They moved fast, skittering toward me, disappearing into the walls, up the mirror, under the door. I slipped again, trying to back away, my heel crunching on one that was still moving. The sound was soft and wet, and then I saw my reflection. Behind me, in the fogged mirror, something moved. The shower curtain swayed, even though there was no breeze. I turned, slowly, heart hammering, eyes wide. From the drain, a final centipede emerged, massive, thick as a rope. Its body glistening, legs quivering like 1,000 needles, its head tilted upward, antennae twitching in the steam. And then I realized, it wasn't crawling toward me. It was watching me. The lights flickered, the bulb hissed and burst, plunging the bathroom into darkness. All I could hear was the sound of tiny legs, moving closer, and closer, and closer.